Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: map, compass, and a reliable light. Once done, open the map and identify the nearest landmark cluster that matches terrain features. Make a quick bearing in degrees and place a temporary marker. Immediately move toward the closest matching landmark at a steady pace. Don't sprint and waste resources. While you travel, scan for environmental cues, unusual architecture, indicator glyphs, or elevated terrain, and adjust your bearing when you see a confirmed match. Once you reach the landmark area, narrow the search by triangulating. Take bearings from 2 more known points and intersect them. Make sure to use elevation and shadow lengths to refine distance estimates. Actively examine environmental clues, glyphs, switches, or NPC comments, and trigger any safe interactions to reveal hidden corridors. If the portal room is nearby, listen for a faint hum and look for a 3-color light pattern or residue on walls. Keep track of doors you've checked to avoid backtracking. When you find the portal room, place the activator on the center pad and align the symbols to the map coordinates. Take your time to match orientation. Once aligned, step back and initiate the charge sequence while watching indicator lights. Green means ready, amber means partial alignment. If the portal fails, first reset the power nodes, then reinsert or swap the activator and inspect the 1/4 power fuse or generator. A single reset cycle usually clears synchronization faults. If not, retrace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.